Hello there, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, I received a package from Amazon. Yep, in this little light gray package with their little symbol on there. And this is a package that was sent to me by Emily from Coshare hair dryer. That's right, we've got a hair dryer in here, and I've got my hair wet. It maybe look like it's drying, but it's still pretty wet in a lot of places. And we're going to check this out. Have you ever heard of the Coshare SuperFlow1 hair dryer? It's a 500 million negative ion blow dryer. It's a hair carrying, fast drying with intelligent thermo control and an essence ring, and it's lightweight, light noise. Let's see if I can get it open, see what it looks like. It comes in this nice box here. So once we get it out of this box, we have this box, and you can see how nice it is just looking at it from the box. And this is a SuperFlow hair dryer, and it says styling with care on both sides, and it's all sealed up. And we're going to break into this. Well, we're going to cut into it, we're not going to break it. But Emily sent this to me and wanted me to share it with you guys on the channel. And because she sent it to me free for review, she's also sent over a 40% discount that you can use at Amazon, where they have their store, and I will have the links down in my description. And the code word for that is SuperFlow. Use the word SuperFlow in the area for a coupon applied in Amazon area, and you will get 40% off your Super Coshare hair dryer. Now, what makes this so special? Okay, once we get the box off of there, we have the blow dryer. Now, this is a professional blow dryer, and it is very good quality. And it has the ring on here, which is right here, and it is an essence ring. And they got everything inside this little box, just so you know. I mean, I just pulled it all out, and I don't even know if I showed y'all how it was actually in here. But it was inside here, and then I pulled this out because underneath it was the cord, and you can see it's a great power cord here. And then it has the ion ring here that we can adjust and put onto the blow dryer. We put that on just like that. And of course, we've got on and off back here behind here. It's got a gold, I guess, exterior here. And this looks very interesting. It's very modern looking. And I want to see if I can get it plugged in. Hold on a second. Now, I've got it plugged in. Okay, I'm going to turn this on, but the dogs are going to bark, so be prepared. It's got a big blow. Ooh. Look at the blow on this. The puppies are barking. Wow. This has got like an excellent blow on it. Just turned it down. It's got several levels, as you could see, and or maybe you could hear as I was changing it. And I'm sorry, I've got a couple of puppies in here that are really blown away by the noise of it. But technically, for a blow dryer, I don't think the noise was that loud. I think it was actually pretty quiet as far as what it says compared to my other blow dryer. And it's not a real cheap one, but it's not like this. It's supposed to blow dry your hair and keep it, you know, really smooth. A nice blowout without any damage. Coshare SuperFlow1 500 million negative ion blow dryer. And like I said, it's hair carrying, fast drying, intelligent thermal control, an essence ring, and About this item, it's an innovative fast-drying blow dryer with intelligent high-speed, high-dryer features, a smart temperature control system that ensures that hair is not damaged while drying. The negative ionic hair dryer produces soft, natural heat to dry hair quickly and gently, also neutralizing static electricity and maintaining moisture levels through its 500 million negative or ion output. It's a replaceable hair nourishing essence ring. With a captivating fragrance, our essence ring enhances your hair drying experience, hydrates, improves, and eliminates frizz, nourishment, damage protection, glossy radiance, and lasts approximately 1 month. It's a compact design, it's lightweight, and it is very lightweight, small size, makes it great for travel and perfect for seniors, so all ages can use this Coshare, the SuperFlow dryer, and taking it to the gym and swimming pools and anything that's on the go. It's safe and secure. Our blow dryer is designed with safety features that include overheat protection system, leak-proof design to prevent accidental leaks for secure, quick use. For anyone who wants a safe, efficient, high-quality, and low-noise blow dryer that protects hair and ensures a chic and smooth finish, our smart temperature-controlled dryer is the perfect choice. And that there is a little bit about it. It says it makes an ideal gift, purchase, and it's a professional hair dryer, and that it has advanced technology. And guys, it has the hair care essence ring. It's black, it's English pear and freesia scent, and it's one package. And as I was telling you earlier when I was reading that, it lasts 1 month. And I'm going to take this off of here, and this is what it looks like, and it smells just like that. Oh wow. And I'm going to put the essence ring inside this little applicator here. You attach it real easily. It just snaps right in there. And then this ring, and I don't know that I showed you that, is going to snap right onto here. But it does come with the blow dryer. And I'm going to go use it and finish off my hair, and then I'll be back and we'll finish this out. But I just want to say right now I'm very impressed with this. It is very nice, and like I said, they said it's lightweight, and it is very lightweight. Now I'm going to go see how it is to use, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back, and this worked great. Look at my hair. Doesn't it look great? That was my blowout. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my gosh. It's really nice. I really liked it. It blew it out really nice. It had several different settings, so I could set it many different ways, and I tried it on everything. Even on high, it's super light blow. I mean, like we're talking like a lot of air blowing out, and it's focused right on your hair, wherever you're blowing at. And then if you want to tone it down, like if you're trying to straighten it more out, like that's what I do when I take the brush and go under, then you can change the temperature and you can change the volume of the air that's coming out of the blow dryer. And it was very quiet like it was earlier. I know the dogs barked a little bit. You might not could tell, but I would have to say this is a great blow dryer. And when you're blow drying your hair, you smell that nice essence. Oh, and it smells really good. If you can only imagine, fresh pear and freesia. A really, really great and cool blow dryer. So yeah, this is impressive. And I really loved that while I was blow drying my hair, I could smell that nice, clean, fresh scent. It was like being at the beauty salon, a little spa. And I bet you a lot of professional salons use this. I don't know, I'm going to have to ask my hairdresser, because she always keeps up with the latest things. So thank you, Emily, for sending this out. And guys, don't forget, she has sent a 40% discount, and I will have that and the code and the link to Amazon. It's an Amazon store, and I will have that down in my description, and you can just hop on over there and see if this is something that you would like to have. Because I would have to say, I would have to give this a 5-star. Now, Emily did not ask me that. All Emily asked me to do was do a YouTube video, and I'll probably put a picture or something on Instagram. But She has not requested any review. She has just requested for me to unbox it and to use it and give my honest opinion. And my opinion of this, it's a great blow dryer and it is worth the buy. It would be my endorsement of it so far. I mean, I only used it once, but it's great. It did great. And I think it even thickened up my hair. I didn't put anything on it, so I mean, like, it blow dried it as if I was at a professional salon, I think. So I really love that, because I can't go to the salon every time I want to blow dry my hair. But anyways, Emily, thank you very much. Be sure and use the code word SuperFlow. The links and information will be down in my description. And that's all I have for the Coshare SuperFlow hair dryer. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.